क्या बात है?
I want to know for what we have gathered here.
Oh, everybody, oh. Guys, everyone, I forgot to tell you that today we all have gathered over here only for felicitation, everybody. And I even know one more thing, that there are so many new entrants. Am I right, Mr. Prakash?
Yes.
And guys, whenever we are seeing any new entrant, so they should be knowing about felicitation, everyone.
Yes.
So guys, please pay your attention towards me. I'm going to elaborate that what is the meaning of felicitation. Guys, in Hindi we do say satkarna. In Hindi we do say satkarna. Guys, don't think that you will be coming in flicker of second on the stage for getting felicitation. No.
Alright, thank you, Miss Sana. Shall we proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Jaldi beta.
Yes, sir. So Miss Asha, kindly tell us that who is about to come? Start.
Yes, Miss Sana. But before that, I want to elaborate the theme of the felicitation, guys, which is very important. The theme of the felicitation is ehsas, the fragrance of memories. So clap for it. Come on.
Come on.
Not left is give a big hand. The ehsas, the memories they create in the cafe, the happiness they given us to in the cafe, the more memories, their performance which they blast on the stage. So guys,
आज का थीम है एहसास.
yes sir.
एहसास.
Yes sir.
Beautiful word एहसास.
Yes, sir.
क्या शब्द है एहसास?
Yes sir. The ehsas, the happiness, the ehsas which we are feeling for them, the ehsas what they are feeling for us. So Miss Sana, now without wasting our time, let's call our honorable students.
Okay, Miss Ashia. Mr. Raj, are you ready?
Yes.
I'm going to call you favorite person on the stage. Guys, everyone, let me tell you about two boys. Firstly, we will be calling two person on the stage. They both are boy. Right, guys?
Wow, what an information.
Now, guys, let me tell you about them. Guys, whenever they used to perform, they used to charm the heart of every girl, just like me, everybody. Secondly, guys, one person is the king of fillers, and second one, whenever he used to speak on the stage, he used to blast the stage. So, guys,
The
everyone.
second one is a sweet from inside
Yes, sir.
and a sweet from outside.
Yes, sir.
ये अंदर से तो मीठा था ही था, ये बाहर से मीठा था.
Let's talk about everyone. And sir, one more thing. So, whenever Mr. Raj look at him, he always does dash. Now, Kali. So, guys, this is the favorite of
ऐसे नहीं
dancers.
अभी करके भी दिखाएंगे.
Yes, sir.
As soon as we will be inviting them on the stage. So Rajveer, are we ready?
So, guys, everyone, please welcome the exquisite person, illustrious person of our institute, Mr. Daksh and Mr. Amir on the stage.
मुझे पहचानो कहाँ पे आया अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ पे आया मैं हूँ कौन मैं हूँ कौन मैं हूँ
देखा है, सोचा है, जाना है. दक्ष शुरू से लेकर आखिरी तक he was always an imposter. जिनके आंसू कभी आए नहीं.
Yes, sir.
They always have the tears in the heart and smile on the face.
Yes, sir. Who always inspires, who always shows how love matters, how work happens, how happiness works. So let's call Miss Shraddha and Miss Neha on the stage.
ये इतना नहीं कर पाएंगे. ताली.
Wow, guys, wow. With me, everybody, kindly say, oh, How cute you both are looking, dear. Sir, am I right or wrong, sir?
Yes. Parents keep on disturbing me.
Yes, sir. So wait, Mr. Naveen, I want to say that, aren't they looking beautiful, mesmerizing, attractive?
Yes.
Yes, little bit.
But, guys, let me tell you,
Fast.
they both are really amazing person. So, guys, with respect, I want to say that, kindly have your seat. And, guys, give a huge round of applause.
So guys, it's high time to call the anchors. The anchors who are slogging their guts. The anchors who are burning their midnight oil from past 4 days. So please welcome the beautiful and very
I have
handsome.
to ask one question. Tail कौन सा है? He always keep on saying Hamza, burning the midnight oil. मैंने पढ़ा है. Burning the midnight oil. कौन सा तेल? Brand क्या? What is the brand?
So the brand name goes like Castrol.
Don't mention what you use in your life.
So, guys, now please focus now.
So guys, please welcome Mr. Adis and Mr. Akash. Connected?
evening to each and every present over here. Here this side, Adish with my co-partner, Miss Akansha on the stage for her. Guys, do you know for what we are here?
Yes.
Let's be louder. For what we are here?
Yes. Guys, we have to say felicitation. With me everyone, for what we all have come here?
And guys, do you know who are those people who are just getting the felicitation from English Cafe?
Yes.
Guys, be louder.
Yes.
And guys, do you know the meaning of felicitation?
Yes.
The felicitation?
Yes.
Two people are pining for the felicitation, Mr. R and Mr. S, but they will be never getting it. So I hope you get the thing. But let's move forward. I want to introduce the first person who is just sitting on the hot chair. Let me give a epiphany of them.
Epiphany? A clear picture.
Yes.
Very good.
Guys, do you know? Like he is the elusive moon of our English cafe. Whenever he comes on the stage, people call him Spilo. I don't know why. But. Guys, I have saw one movie. Guys, may I have your attention? Guys, focus. I saw a movie, and that movie is Three Idiots. That is my favorite movie. And from that movie there is a dialogue. Abba nahi manenge. And really, I got that person in my life as a friend and as a colleague.
Good job.
You can say, and that is my Ammu. Please welcome Mr. Amir on the stage.
Come on.
Well done, Adish. Adish, आज तो अब्बा.
Yes, sir. Why not, sir?
Today I think it's not the way.
Yes, sir.
Every time I used to give him a call, Amir, function है, आना है, you have to come. Sir, डैडी नहीं मानेगा. बेटा आज वो है. Sir, डैडी नहीं मानेगा.
Yes.
बेटा वो भी है.
Yes, sir.
Very felicitation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So everyone, are we all still connected?
Yes.
Now guys, do you know what? The second member who is about to felicitate, guys, for her, Mr. Adish is just being sentimental. Because guys, she is none other than our chubbly bubbly Santi. So please welcome the most lovable personality of our cafe, Miss Neha.
अरे
So guys, I know there is a person who is also getting the felicitation, and he deserves a lot. He deserves a lot. So let me give just a normal introduction of him because he is extraordinary person. Extraordinary person. And the person is, as we all know, there is a name given to him. That is Mr. Shampoo. I don't know why people call him Shampoo. So please welcome none other than Mr. Daksh on the stage.
So guys, everyone, are we all stay connected? Yes! May I have your attention? Yes! So guys, the last but not the least, our most chivalrous personality of our cafe, who always weeps by the heart, but guys, always smiles by the face. So, whose volume speaks 1,000 words. So, please welcome Miss Shweta on the stage.
Guys, everyone, not at all like this. Give a tango clap.
Shall we commence, elucidate?
Yes!
Yes, Akansha, the budget already of this institute is very
Yes, sir.
So guys, it's high time to start our function with the performances.
Yes.
Because guys, you know what? Mr. Amir is gazing on the walls.
Yes, but before that, I want to ask one simple
Before
question.
that, maybe have a round of applause. आगे बढ़े राखी
Yes, sir.
राखी without the sound, listen to me. May I invite again my lovely pearls, Miss Bhumika and Miss Sakshi.
Come on!
Guys, it was fantastic. It was, I can say, perfect as Mr. Hamad Jawline. So please, let's move forward towards the next performer.
Before I proceed, Adesh,
Yes, sir.
as I know performances are more and performances are less, I would like to call and invite Miss Sakshi on the stage.
Come on, everyone!
आपने बहुत टाइम दिया बेटा इनके साथ and I know why you have come because they are respected hearts.
Yes, sir.
बेटा share a moment, listen.
Yes, sir.
Share a moment, share an experience which you have captivated. Please release that captivation and abduct the memories in the hindsight.
Yes.
Shweta Neha Daksh Ahmed. Shweta Neha Ahmed, Daksh Bhi.
So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this marvelous
Any best
chance.
debate, any best extempore, any performance which you remember.
Yes, sir. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this marvelous chance here this side Sakshi. So guys, how are you all? Fine. So if I would like to share the experience with all them.
Absolutely.
First, if I talk about Mr. Amit, so you know, sir, he was my classmate in 12th class.
Beautiful, sir.
In 12th class, he was my classmate.
Same
And
school?
Yes, sir, same school. And so he is a very nice guy, but in their heart, so he is very notorious kind of person. I know, sir, his personality. He is very notorious kind of person.
Notorious?
Yes, sir.
Gosh.
You know, sir?
Hey, he behaves and has always behaved like Lord Rama.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, can I
Explain.
explain one experience of Mr. Amit?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल क्यों नहीं?
Mr. Amit, yes, sir. No.
He won't mind. He's in my perimeter today. All of us are in the perimeter of God. Come on.
You know, sir, he is looking like very shy kind of person, but he is not. You know, he is having a 3 girlfriends, not 2 Sir, 2
Okay,
girlfriends. Yes, sir. One is my best
Udhar
friend.
Prasad.
One is my best friend, and I don't know another one. Sir, one is my best friend. Sir, I know just because of her only. I know Abhi just because of her only.
Her?
Yes, sir.
Somebody's heart you want to be breaking.
No, sir, he is.
यहाँ कुछ लोग हैं जो उसको पसंद करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, that's right.
Hey, guys!
So he became wild, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
So he is not like that only, sir. His face shows very innocency, but he is not.
Yes,
And
sir.
so if I talk about the English fluency, so he is having a very good English fluency.
बिल्कुल.
Yes, sir. And
Online class में यही था वो जिसने yes, but after me you were the only one who carried that legacy of teaching the students.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Clap, everyone!
After which it was Adesh and Kansha, now Ashia. Take it.
Yes, sir. And so the voice modulation is little not that much good, but sir, now when he joined the English cafe, the voice is automatically going up next level.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
So sir, first big round of applause. for
Thank you,
Mr.
Sakshi.
Voice.
Mr. Daksh.
No, sir, like Shweta.
Shweta.
Great, guys! Now,
Guys.
Guys,
Now, please behave,
Sakshi
guys.
आपको होना चाहिए था उस दिन in the morning, right? They were weeping.
Yes.
They wept. They were actually swimming into the pond of emotions. उससे बढ़िया तो felicitation
Yes, sir.
morning felicitation.
Yes.
Mini one, but it was the greatest.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Sir,
Bina.
Yes, sir.
How many years, Sakshi? How many years? You 2 years.
Yes, sir, 2 years. Sir, if I would like to share the experience with Miss Neha and Miss Shweta, sir, like they both are very like a Sita. Sir, the nature of both of them is very pure, too much pure. Sir, I cannot explain. Sir, you know when I see the message of Miss Shweta and Neha felicitation,
Correct.
I feel very good from
Elated.
my bottom of my heart. So yes, the Shweta and Miss Neha is also coming in
They
the
deserve.
felicitation.
Always they deserve.
Yes, sir.
And I knew that I'm going to be making it big.
Yes, sir. And the first word of my mouth is came that is yes, they both are deserve the felicitation.
बिल्कुल.
Yes, sir, from my heart.
लैंग्वेज तो आती जाती रहेगी बेटा. Characters.
Yes, sir.
Character.
Yes, sir. The characters of both of them is very, very, very nice, sir. You know. And sir, if I talk about one experience of both of them, sir, like Miss Neha is like little bit notorious.
Yes,
rather
she
than
is.
Miss Shweta. And sir, it is a very good name.
नेहा तो यूनिवर्सिटी आपने भी कम. साक्षी, यहाँ सबने मुझे परेशान. Everyone has tampered my emotions. But I love you all. मुझे पता है शिवा बेटा क्या देखेगा? Nonsense.
Great guys.
Shiva, no, that's bad. Sakshi is speaking.
Yes,
She's
sir.
speaking. She's come over from far place.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sakshi beta.
So guys, may I have your attention? Yes. So sir, the nature of both of them is very nice, and from my bottom of my heart, I would like to say very, very, many, many congratulations.
Congratulations.
May I have your attention? Yes. Are we guys excited for the next performance?
Yes.
How much?
Very much.
So now it's time to call the group of Qawwali members, because it's been ages we have seen the Qawwali on the stage. So are we excited for this group?
Yes.
How much, guys?
Very much.
How much?
Very much.
So please welcome the Qawwali group with their
अब इस
beautiful.
कवाली में emotion क्या है? What is the emotion?
Yes, sir. According to me, sir, Qawwali is a like I'm having the casual knowledge about that, right? But what I feel, it is having emotions, sir. It is having unheard emotions which cannot become, I can say, in a
Let me tell
normal
you,
word, sir.
there is no song. There is a rhythm of poetry.
Yes, sir.
Qawwali.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, rhythm of poetry.
Yes, sir. So for that, I will be also listening for the first time
Well done.
with you and with sir permission. May we continue this particular function? So maybe, sir.
Are we guys ready? Ishu ready?
Yes, sir.
Vivan, Bacha Party ready?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. Sana ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Anushka?
Yes, sir.
Well done, active. 1, 2, 3, and here you go. Attack!
सैयारा तू तो बदला रही है, वो सब जरा सा रूठा हुआ है। सैयारा तू तो बदला रही है, वो सब जरा सा रूठा हुआ है। हाय न मरी जाऊं जो तुझको ना पावा, वादा तेरी मैं Nawaz for the speech.
Guys, everyone, clap again.
Yes, beta. Stage is yours.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving this chance. Guys, pay attention.
Yes.
So let me make you meet with apple of eye of every class. Let me make you meet with 4 persons. First is Miss Shweta, second is Mr. Dax, third one is Mr. Amir, and fourth one is Miss Neha. Let me tell you about their attributes, why they are getting the felicitation, because they have built their character. Your character is more important, most important in everyone's life, like in the corporate world and whenever you will be going. Second thing, like I have learned this thing from Miss Shweta that whenever if you are getting the like your reflection at any point,
Beautiful.
you should be keeping into your heart. Heart says hold on, mind says move on.
Correct.
Life goes on and on.
Right, goes on.
Yes, sir. So whenever you will be getting the any points that you should be start working. You should not be giving the befitting reply to your teacher,
Not at all.
to your parent. Either you should be giving the reply in the action, not in the word. But believe in your action and like have a faith on your teacher.
They took it on the chin.
Yes, sir.
They took it on the
Yes,
chin
sir.
and they worked.
Yes, sir. The trio and the 4 people has taken on their chin and they have built their character. And as well as like 2 person like Mr. Dax and Miss Shweta, they known for the like filler thing. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Like they know every filler. Mesmerizing, magnificent, benevolent.
High octane.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Even I could say like filler is made by both of them like one filler. Chivalrous and benevolent. Don't take my word seriously. Thank you very much. To be adding on.
Basically, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. To be adding on, sir, I want to like make you meet with moments with my mouth. Yes, sir. When that day I have cried in my first time in my
Yes,
life. Yes, sir. In the institute, I have been through with the situation.
Did
where-
you?
Yes, sir.
For the first time.
Yes, sir. I have cried first time in the cafe. Yes, sir. In my whole life, I have never cried, to be very honest with you. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, sir. I cried because, sir, I got the news that Miss Shweta will be departing from the cafe. Yes, sir. Because, sir, I'm as strong as stone, but in terms of like talking about like when I will be getting like departing from my friend, definitely everyone, like if I were you and you were me, you would have cried. Yes, sir. So let me tell you what were the attributes and what was the moment, like why I was crying. Because, sir, like
What a date was in the morning, right?
yes, sir, yes, sir. The date was the 24th. Yes, sir, 24th October might be. Yes, sir. So let me tell you why and what like I have cried. Yes, sir. Because, sir, they were very close to my heart. Mr. Dax is a very good boy, sir. Yes, sir. And Mr. Amir is a very benevolent person. Yes, sir. I have cried for all of them. Yes, sir. Apart from Mr. Amir, sir. Yes, sir. Because, sir, Amir is a very mesmerizing person, to be very honest, sir. And they have...
Dax knew what to say, when to say, how to say.
Yes, sir.
Very respectful on the stage.
Yes, sir.
I have scolded this guy irrespective of his mistake or not mistake sometimes.
Yes, sir.
But he never gave me a bouncing reply.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. He's a very good
ये
person.
सामने वाले को यूं रोक देता था.
Yes, sir.
Let's just say.
Yes, sir.
और फिर कैबिन में से. That was the beauty of that.
Yes, sir. That's why he's getting the felicitation here,
Sir,
sir.
thank you.
Yes, sir. Cause, sir, like he's a very benevolent person, as I have mentioned. He's a very good boy, sir. Cause, sir, he do endure the thing in his heart and he come with the action. And everyone should be like him, sir. It's not about the beginning. It's all about the ending.
Beautiful.
As you have seen. That's it from my side.
Thank you.
So guys, are you excited for some thrilling performance?
Yes.
The performance who is just coming on the stage, that will be giving you goosebumps. The performance who are coming on the performers who are coming on the stage, they will be just making you go on the
सना को
next
तो और
level.
भी डांस करते देखा था.
Yes, sir.
You always saw. But hang on. You always saw Sana dancing on the floor, but for the first time you will see Khubeb. Talia. Correspondingly, you will see Manish on the stage. Talia.
And guys, there is new entrant, guys. Do you know there is new entrant in the
Yeah.
group? And her name is Miss Bharti on the stage. Yes,
she
sir.
took only 2 to 3 days to adjust.
Yes, sir.
Dia took 7 days, Dia Khari, and Bharti took only 4 days.
Yes, sir.
Lovely, mesmerizing. So,
Yes, sir.
shall we commence?
Yes, sir.
Come on then.
Please welcome Mr. Manish, Mr. Kubab, Miss Bharti, Mr. Abhishek, and Kabab Mein Haddi Miss Sara on the stage.
Most of them are appear to be women. Please don't misbehave and don't flirt, Nishan. So 1, 2, 3.
सर घूमे चक्कर खाए दिल दिल से टक्कर खाए अरे मैं खोया के तू खो गया अरे
Why shall I not again, Prashant, am I ready?
Yes, sir.
Why shall I not bring in the people with whom I have began my career?
Yes, sir.
अरे बुला दूं मैं उन लोगों को, मिस्टर प्रतिमा नागल, तालियां!
So give us time to clap everyone.
अगर इसको मैंने बोल दिया कि प्राणी आना है तो he will come, coming directly from his shop. Roll applause, everyone. इसकी फेलिसिटेशन की शुरुआत रोने से हुई थी.
Yes, sir.
In which, I mean, that felicitation was lovely because everyone was immensely crying.
Yes, sir.
There were no songs, no dance, nothing, Adish.
Yes, sir.
We just felt his heart. He cried, Ranshu cried, everybody.
Yes, sir.
That was the start.
Yes, yes.
From then on, we had begun flying into the aeroplane of felicitation.
Yes.
ये था वो आदमी. आज तालियां.
Clap your hands. Guys, as we have seen the dance, the Qawwali and this is a speech as well. So guys, now it's a high time to listen something. But guys, this time this is not the song. This time we will be listening the tune. Guys, that person who is coming on the stage, he always blast the stage with his dance. But guys, today, for the very first time, he is coming to play flute. So give a huge round of applause.
मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह,
That's it.
कर हर मैदान फतेह, हर मैदान फतेह।
इसकी सेकंड पैराग्राफ की लाइन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Some lines are very, very crucial, and I believe the people, those who are here, will be taking it to the heart. ये सुन लो, मैं जो सुनाना चाहता हूँ. I want you guys to listen this. बेटा, please follow this route and leave the imprints. Footprints छोड़ के जाओ यहाँ पे. सुनो मेरे को.
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान
Touch. Okay. There were some lines. तेरी कोशिशें ही कामयाब हुई. I wanted them to hear this, but somehow they have not recorded it. So we're going to be following it. Technically, then. बात बस सुनाई. Thank you. Okay, yes, sir.
So guys, may I have your attention again?
Yes!
Are we guys excited for the new performance?
Yes!
Another performance?
Yes!
How much?
Very much!
So with arms outstretched, please welcome the newcomer on the stage for the first time performing the singing part. So please welcome Mr. Ibad on stage, guys.
Guys, not like this, give a big hand.
Also the time to be changing the anchors. Just give us 5 minutes after
Yes,
our
sir.
performance. Ibad, beta.
मेरा मेरा अफसाना पूरा होया ना जाना पल पल जीना मुहाल मेरा तेरे बिना सारे नशे बेकार तेरी आंखों के सिवा घर नहीं जाता मैं बाहर रहता तेरा इंतजार मेरे ख्वाबों में आ न करके सोला सिंगार अब क्यों होश पाता नहीं सुकून ये दिल को पाता नहीं यूं थोड़ू तुमसे जो ये ख्वाब दोबारा इश्क निभाना नहीं मैं थोड़ू तुमसे जो ये चेहरा दोबारा नजर मिलाना नहीं तेरी नजरें मुझसे क्या कहती है दिल में वफा देखती है ये थोड़ी थोड़ी सी राजी थोड़ी वफा देखती है लोग है सालिम बड़े दिन में जफा देखी है ये दुनिया मेरी नी मैं बस तुझ में वफा देखी है जीना मुहाल मेरा तेरे बिना सारे नशे बेकार तेरी आंखों के सिवा घर नहीं जाता मैं बाहर रहता तेरा इंतजार मेरे ख्वाबों में आ न करके सोला सिंगार
Silent R for Rajveer. So guys, shall we start?
Are silent.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Guys, now have attention again.
Yes!
Wishing you all a mesmerizing evening to one and all present over here. Presented by English Cafe, loved by all, hated by Andewala. So guys,
One more controversy I'm going to be solving in the cabinet. I'll handle it. I'm used to it. Okay.
yes. So guys, without breaking.
Wait, Mr. Shenbag. I know you wanted to eat the whole jars of mine, but sir also paid me to speak. So guys, without any break, without any cancellation, let us call our new anchors.
Hang on.
Guys, let me rectify myself. I'm the new entrant, no problem. Let's call Miss Apache on the stage with Mr. Manna on the stage.
cafe. So guys, without wasting any single moment, now let us invite the first performer, means the next performer of today's evening. So guys, the performer whom I am going to call, guys, he is the most affluent and the most respected person of our English
Beautiful.
cafe. Guys, literally there are so many students who are studying still under him, and he has become an inspiration for them.
Nice.
So guys, to literally lay down the rivalry of Shairi, let us invite Mr. Abdul or Abdul sir for Shairi.
अरे ताली!
Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. So, गौर फरमाइएगा कि इसमें कुछ उर्दू के अल्फाजों का इस्तेमाल किया गया है, तो उस पर ज़्यादा तवज्जो ना दें, इस शायरी पर तवज्जो दें।
वाह!
समझने में जाएंगे तो शेर भूल जाएंगे। एक शेर अर्ज किया है कि बदल गए मेरे मौसम तो यार अब आए, बदल गए मेरे मौसम तो यार अब आए, गमों ने चाट लिया गम गुसार अब आए, बदल गए मेरे मौसम तो यार अब आए, गमों ने चाट लिया गम गुसार अब आए, और ये वक्त इस तरह यूं रोने का तो नहीं, लेकिन मैं क्या करूं कि मेरे सोगवार अब आए।
Guys,
Well done, Abdul. तालियां once again.
Now kindly focus please.
अगले शेर की तरफ गौर फरमाइएगा कि जब भी तेरी याद आई तेरे दिए हुए सारे तोहफे हमने सिरहाने रख दिए, जब भी तेरी याद आई तेरे दिए हुए सारे तोहफे हमने सिरहाने रख दिए, और कितनी मोहब्बतें चाहिए तुझे आमिर, माओ ने बच्चों के नाम तेरे नाम दिए।
Kindly focus everyone. Again give a turn of clapping.
और अगला शेर अर्ज किया है कि तुझे भी साथ रखता और उसे भी अपना दीवाना बना लेता, तुझे भी साथ रखता और उसे भी अपना दीवाना बना लेता, अगर मैं चाहता तो दिल में कोई चोर दरवाजा बना लेता, तुझे भी साथ रखता और उसे भी अपना दीवाना बना लेता, अगर मैं चाहता तो दिल में कोई चोर दरवाजा बना लेता, मैं अपने ख्वाब पूरे करके खुश हूँ मगर ये पछतावा नहीं जाता कि तुझे मुस्तकबिल बनाने से तो अच्छा था कि तुझे अपना बना लेता।
Now guys,
Everyone, please focus on the stage. Guys, please focus. Behave everyone.
तो गौर फरमाइएगा कि तमाम रात नहाया था शहर बारिश में, तमाम रात नहाया था शहर बारिश में, वो रंग उतर ही गए जो उतरने वाले थे, तमाम रात नहाया था शहर बारिश में, वो रंग उतर ही गए जो उतरने वाले थे, और ये किस मकाम पर सूझी तुम्हें बिछड़ने की कि अब कहीं जाके वो दिन संवरने वाले।
now guys, please be focused.
We have loads of time. Don't you worry. बस आगे बढ़ो.
Let's focus.
और मैं अपने आखिरी शेर के साथ चंद अल्फाज कहूँगा, उसके बाद आपसे रुखसती मालूंगा। और गौर फरमाइएगा, बहुत ही खूबसूरत शेर और खासकर इंग्लिश कैफे के ऊपर
Nice.
कि आपने सोशल मीडिया पर सुना होगा, डॉक्टर विकास दिव्य कृति नाम
अरे, अरे, अरे।
सबको फाउंडर ऑफ दी दृष्टि IAS, उन्होंने एक खूबसूरत बड़ी खूबसूरत बात कही कि डिग्रियां तो तालीम पे किए हुए खर्चे की रसीदें हैं, डिग्रियां तो तालीम पे किए हुए खर्चे की रसीदें हैं, इल्म वो है जो तुम्हें सलीका सिखाए। तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, इन द इंग्लिश कैफे apart from the English or with the English, you will learn the Salika from the English guy. ये मैं अपने दिल से कहूँगा कि how आप ये जरूर सीख जाओगे कि इंग्लिश कैसे बोलनी है, ये तो आप सीख ही जाओगे यहाँ, लेकिन how to talk, when to talk and where to talk, this is a mannerism. ये आप यहाँ से बेहतर और बिल्कुल मजबूती के साथ सीखेंगे.
Amit, yes, Daksh, you literally had a great bond with Abdul. Better let us see. Conversation. Reminisce those memories. Let us dig the episodes of the past. He is now blessing every student, you know, and he's become my shoulder, literally coordinating time to time, tight by tight, ounce by ounce, second by second, and taking a lot of burden. Very regular, very consistent, very nice by heart. And what a personality. Veda. Veda, Salia. Amit's experience with Abdul.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. If I talk about like this wonderful personality, sir, like his charming style is just directly proportional with his charming personality. Sir, I am just saying this thing.
Sit down, sit, thank you, thank you, thank you. Sit down.
Have a seat, please.
Guys, may I have attention? Yes. Not like this, guys. May I have attention? Yes. So if I talk about like Mr. Abdul, like you know, whenever I just met with him, the positive vibe comes from him. Like whenever I just shake the hand, hello Mr. Amit, assalamu alaikum. So you know the positive vibe, the positive.
इज्जत कैसे sustain करते हैं?
Yes, sir. Sir, the thing is that you know the one thing he spoke well, like what to speak, when to speak, and how
How to speak.
that matters a lot.
But बेटा इसके अलावा he's a benevolent heart.
Yes, sir.
He's a benevolent heart.
Yes, sir.
Great job. और पीछे देखिए कौन है? तालियां दीजिए के लिए.
Focus.
Thank you, sir. Yes, madam. This is very special.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving this chance. Guys, let me tell you first that my voice is not in my favor. So my voice is bit jittering, okay? So kindly.
We're there with you. We're there with you.
Yes, sir. Sir, like I am having a very great bonding with Mr. Abdul. Like in the starting, he has came to the cafe and he has sat with a particular person. I don't want to take the name, but everyone knows that
Yes.
for whom person I am taking this
Yes,
all the things. But basically, he has saved us himself from that particular
Daksh,
situation.
thank you.
Yes,
उन्होंने जो बोला he saved himself.
Yes.
बेटा जो ये कर पाया,
Yes.
how they should be doing it. Because some people couldn't do it.
Yes.
He knew where there is a darkness, that tunnel of hope. He went through, he littered and looked into my eyes that sir is expecting something from me.
Yes.
And he fulfilled that.
Yes.
और वो खराब कर देता है.
Yes, sir.
You would have, you know.
So like in the starting, I have broke my 3 friendship. Just like in the starting with Mr. Shahnawaz, secondly with Mr. Piyush, and I don't want to take the name of the third person. Sir, because like if you are coming in the cafe, so you have to think only about yourself. If you are coming, so I am coming here for myself only. I will not think about another person.
Good job, Indian
Whatsoever he will be thinking about me or he is thinking about me. If you are ready to face this kind of things, so definitely you can face the world which is ready for you outside.
Outside. Thank you, Daksh.
Love everybody. Not like this. Give a tongue of your please.
Okay, come on, Vivek. Always standing like a scarecrow. Come on, Vivek. At least have some off-chest attitude. Come on. Thank you, madam.
Now please hold on.
Yes, sir. Have energy. आगे होगा.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me wonderful chance. Good morning, all, and sending this side, Shweta. So always feel glad whenever I am standing on this pious stage. So, sir, if I talk about the Mr. Abdul, sir, I say myself, especially talking about the boys, sir. But especially if I talk about the Mr. Abdul, sir, I always prefer to talk with him, sir. Even, sir, sometimes I share my household problem
Yes, yes.
with Mr. Abdul because, sir, he is a mature guy.
Mature हो तो ऐसा होता नहीं।
Attention! Yes! Guys, don't be dead up. I want your energy. Are we all connected? Yes! So guys, now you know whom I'm going to call.
No!
So guys, now to whom I'm going to call. He's having fear of someone a lot. Cause her sister is Pariksha. Her sister is exam. And now second one to whom I'm going to call. She is too beautiful. Damn beautiful. So please welcome platter Mr. Nirve and Miss Pranjali.
chance. A very positive good evening to each and every present over here. Guys, to be honest, I'm not prepared. I'm not having any script to be just talking about themselves like from here. Because I'm feeling very, I can say, emotional. And I'm feeling like a person, a part of my life just missing from the like going from the English cafe, but not from my life. So let me just giving
इतना करीब कैसे हो गया ये आप?
Yes sir.
Why he became the close knit?
Yes sir. Let me
Guys, are we focused?
Yes,
Yes sir. Let me
बेटा
start.
बेटा 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 अब वो बहुत सारे
Yes, start. Yes. Let me start from the two beautiful girls of our English cafe, none other Miss Shweta and Miss Neha. For them, I am feeling like very delighted, sir, because they are the warriors, sir, real warriors, sir. they come very, I can say, like a proving pretender. Whenever they step in the cafe, sir, their first attribute goes like they touch the, I can say, the ground. Yes, sir, every day, every single day. And sir, their timing is, sir, I can say, everyone should be just following their timing, sir. Because if 10 o'clock is the class, sir, they will be here by 9.
Never
by,
be late.
by 9:59, sir. And every day they are coming, they are learning, they are behaving, they are just doing everything whatever sir is coming up
late
with.
I scolded them from next day, they never.
Yes sir, yes sir. And sir, to be honest with Shweta sir, like everyone just notice her personality that she is very calm, she is very nice, but sir, there are a lot of things like she is having, sir. After, I can say, drastic change, I saw her after just when she left the English campus, sir, the way she behaved, the way she just come up on the stage, the attitude, the confidence.
Good job.
Like everything left. Like hesitation was not there, sir. I was feeling very great when she was performing on the stage. When she was just coming without thinking anything, sir. The role play, I know, like she was not that much into role play, but when she did, sir, it was fantastic. She just passed everything, the extempos, the role plays, the GD, everything, sir. And I feel she is very nice, sir. To be honest, every girl of Indian household, every girl of India should be like her only, because she is having every attribute. A girl, a mother, a sister, everything. So she is having, I can say, up to marks, sir.
Amish, thank you. मैं इनका नहीं करूँगा.
Yes, sir.
I'll give a big thank to this man.
Yes, sir.
He referred me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And like, if I talk about Miss Neha, sir, like, sir, she is my sainty, sir. For the like straight, sir, she is my sainty, and I'm really sainty for her, because I can say, like, she was very great personality, sir. I believe whenever I'm taking the class of online, sir, she is the only one who is having the like facial expression, sir. You will be seeing every time there is a smile on her face, sir. Every time, I can say every class of our English cafe, she is having a smile on her face, and her attributes are like, I can say, I cannot count on my fingers. There are a lot. And the way she carry her respect, the way she carry her responsibility, that is fabulous, sir. She stood for her family also, she stood for her sister also.
Beautiful.
And she will always like standing like a warrior in front of everyone, sir. And now it's time to talk about...
goody girls भी बने.
Yes, sir.
They also transform themselves into goody.
A lot, sir. Like, sir.
And to an extent where they literally hated them to be addressed as.
Yes, sir.
Addressed as goody.
Yes, sir. But sir, they are, sir.
They are goody.
Yes, sir. We call the nickname whatever you give, sir, to the people, sir.
Yes.
Now it's time to talk about Mr. Daksh, sir. To be honest, sir, I was having, I can say, a so-so bond with Mr. Daksh, sir. Like, I was not having that much good bond. But sir, there was a class happened in the past, sir. The class happened in the past. That class was like Dil Kholo, Apni Baat Bolo. So in that particular class, sir, Mr. Daksh stood up, sir, at that particular moment on this like podium, and he was just coming up with the like great, I can say, the best class of his life, the best performance of his life, when he was just coming up with the emotions, sir. Yeah. He cried at that particular day. After that, sir, I got to know about his stories, about his past, about what is his life. And after that, we got a good bond, sir. He stood every day. He come up with a great motivation. I know he's sleepy type of person who not having that much good sense in the class. But to be honest, from the heart, he's very good. He never hate anyone. He never go like below the belt towards anyone. He come up with the respect, and he is now departing with the respect only. And now my favorite, my Ammu. I want to like to talk about
Ammu.
Yes, sir. I want to talk about Mr. Amir, sir. Like
इससे कैसे आप?
Yes, sir. Like he was the like I can say he was the first person who met me on this particular ground, sir. I was sitting here, he was like beside me, and Miss Sibsa was beside me here, like on my left side, sir. And he was the only one.
Round of applause for Miss Sibsa as well. Great people should always be remembered.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm still pining and looking for that hope tunnel. Can she be back? Can she be back? I think they'll be. Will she be back?
Yes. So if I talk about this wonderful personality, sir, to be honest, sir, like his name is like Amir, but I would like to call him sir Amir. Like from the heart, sir. He is very rich from the heart, sir. He is having all the attributes, sir, a person should be having, sir. He is a good listener, sir. He is a person who can endure the things, who can come every day with the motivation. He is the one, sir, who is having the every answer of every question, sir. You can ask anything from him, sir. He will be giving the time to you. He will be giving everything to you. He will be supporting you. He will be standing at that particular moment when there is no one, sir. And to be honest, sir, there was a time when I was like not feeling good, when I was going in a drain, sir, when I was in a quagmire, sir. He was the only one, sir, who sit with me on the like VC, and we had just talked n number of things, sir. He just make me laugh. He just make me. He was just grubbing the information from me that what is the like things are going in your life, what are the things you are just going through, and sir, he was the only one who just make me believe that yes, I can also learn the things. I can also perform on the stage. I can also be the part that everyone should be like should be becoming of English.
जो अपनी तरक्की के साथ सामने वाले का भी सोचता हो.
Yes, sir.
This is what is required.
Yes, sir.
This is the predominant factor. जो
True, sir.
अपने आप तो who progresses and
Yes,
make the other progress.
Yes, sir.
Foundation stone.
And sir, he was the only one who just make me
Yeah,
perform first activity of my life, sir. Like on the stage, like he come from the like 2 hours like way, and he was like at that particular day he fight with his pet like the father
fought,
also.
yes.
He fought with his father also for me, sir, to be just making me perform on the stage.
Nice one.
So I really want to give a big thank to him because he is the illustrious personality of.
Now to whom I'm going to call. Really, whenever anyone look at him, really they start saying chi chi chi. Sir, I don't know why.
No, he's a very good man.
Yes, sir, very good man. Yes, from heart he's
Whatever
very good.
that happens for the part of the family.
Yes, sir.
Yes, of course.
Yes, sir.
Just to enhance the smile and enhance the comedy,
Yes,
you know, in the premises. We don't mean anything from the heart. We do it because we do it. Why we do it? So that English becomes fun. That's it.
Yes, sir.
कोई चीज़ नहीं है.
Yes, sir. Sir, he is the only one guy who always use filler. Always he use filler. Sir,
प्राची का face down क्या हुआ? Not now. I know. Form is temporary, class is permanent. But for 6 to 7 days, Prachi was literally down. Reasons unknown, but now our Prachi is back into तालियां हो जाए. लेकिन उस gap में he used himself quite well.
Yes, sir.
Quite well.
So guys, let's welcome meticulous guy Mr. Raj, everyone. Guys, may I have your attention?
Yes.
So guys, here I would like to do a rap and I want to give a motivation to everyone. So guys, please follow my line and listen very carefully. अब बिल्कुल भी आसान नहीं था गले से निकल कर यहाँ तक आना. अब बिल्कुल भी आसान नहीं था सीधा एक लाइन से यहाँ तक पहुँचाना. अब बिल्कुल भी आसान नहीं थे चाहते बस अंदर का आर्टिस्ट दबाना. अब बिल्कुल भी आसान नहीं थे चाहते बस अंदर का आर्टिस्ट दबाना. ये लौंडे क्रेजी ये सर पारदर्शी नाश करता दबाना. और मुझे बस पर्दा हटाना है कलाकार को उसका दर्जा दिलाना है क्योंकि जिंदगी तेजाब की बोतल और दुनिया बस चाहती थी माचिस लगाना. जब खाए जब ठोकर दबाने से तो सारी दुनियादारी सारी चालाकी सीख के तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता तू दे शाबाशी या भोग दे चूल्हा तू पीट पे. हर दिन सुने मैंने लोगों के ताने और हर दिन लिखे मैंने गीत ने. इनको लगा खो गए हम भीड़ में पर बाबे हम जीत गए. ये जिंदगी खुली किताब हम हाथों से किस्मतें लिख रहे हैं. जो लोगों ने छुपाना चाहा भीड़ से निकल के दिख रहे हैं उससे ही सीख रहे हैं. पूरे दिन बीत गए हैं You already know what name is. लोग नाम मेरा चीख रहे हैं. जीते बाबे पर क्या जीत मिली है आसानी से लिख के ही तो सीखा जीना. आज़ादी में चारों डाकू कुछ ना मांगे डाले डाका सीधे. मेले पे हम निकले पूरा इलाका पीछे जीत रहे. बाबे हम जीत गए. अब खुद पे ही रखा भरोसा ये जिंदगी चलती उम्मीद पे उम्मीद. बाबे हम जीत गए लेट्स गो. बाबे हम जीत गए. अब खुद पे ही रखा भरोसा ये जिंदगी चलती उम्मीद पे.
बेटा, this is the scrapbook which has been prepared by Sonu. इधर ध्यान दे. Scrapbook which has been prepared by Miss Ashia Balitali. It talks about the past memories, glorifying images. With me, of course, in the cabin, and lovely photographs. Beta, bhulna bhi chahe, you will never forget us. Yes, beta. Thank you so much, Ashia, for this lovely effort, beta, which you have put in. Everybody, including everybody. Well done.
Yes, sir, all of you, sir. And sir, today I'm little bit emotional because you departure us. So I want to say that you departure us from this auspicious place, but never departure us from your heart.
Never ever.
Because sir, if I find person like you, so I can't find it in my whole life, sir. You making this girl quivering kitten, you making the lioness girl. Today I'm standing here with confidence, with language and with everything. You give me a lots of things, sir. Copious things I'm getting from here, sir.
Thank you, Mira.
I'm getting the lots of friends, good friends, sir. Good memories, like cherished memory you give me, sir. And sir, my God knows that every day I remember you, sir. That's
What's happening? Stay tuned, Rakhi. Sorry, beta.
Yes, sir. Sir, every day I'm remember you. I'm finding you because, sir, you are a very different person in my life. I never seen a person like you. And your tones also, sir, and your punchlines also, sir. This
नेहा,
life is...
इन बच्चों को इतना बोलो बस. राजवीर, बेटा, इन बच्चों को इतना बोलो कि क्या टॉन्ट्स वाकई दिल में रखने के लिए होते हैं या वर्क शुड बी कीपिंग इन द हार्ट और इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इट. क्योंकि आजकल के बच्चे नाउ की डोज टेक इट टू द हार्ट एंड स्टार्ट वीपिंग.
Yes, sir.
नेहा, ये टॉन्टी है जो हमें चलाते हैं.
Yes, sir.
this educate us. And I've been born and brought up in such a family where literally it was very difficult for me to even live a single day. I'm the son of my parents. जो teachers हैं, मारते थे. Taunts with sarcasm. On those days I know you guys are becoming very fragile. लेकिन इसलिए तो फायदा उठा रहे हो. That's the reason you are making your parents, feel in that hack. कि फंस गए हैं. They are in the quagmire. वो कहें तो फंसे. Teachers say, Imran. So, better teachers are also standard. डांटे तो आंसू. नहीं डांटे तो parents सर आप strict नहीं है आजकल. You're not that strict anymore. So our position is getting disposition. थोड़ा बच्चों को आप.
Guys, sir, taunts is a very quintessential thing in your life. If you focus on that taunt and you focus on that taunt and work upon that, so you definitely achieve something. If you see the confident Neha, so because of sir only, because of sir belief and sir everything. And today here, I'm coming here from the covering kitchen, but I'm changing myself because of sir only, sir. And sir, thank you so much for coming in my life and never departure for me, sir, and always taking me in your heart, sir.
Good morning, sir, for giving me again chance, sir. So if I standing on this floor because of my sacrifice of my parents, but most of the time sir always support me. Sir always give the helping hand towards me. My journey start like someone passing sarcastic comments towards me, like domestic girls never achieve anything in her life.
Yes.
So that point of time, I always pray towards my God, please respond my prayers, sir. But I don't have focused of the idea. My God reply my prayer as a good blessing, as a form of the teacher.
Pleasure was always mine to be teaching you.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि अगर student अच्छा नहीं होगा तो teacher तभी अच्छा नहीं हो सकता.
Yes, sir.
Student has to be. Yes. Like what we define you as a girl. Yes, Mila.
I had joined cafe on 24 June 2024. That point of time, I am the team-hearted girl. I always prefer to talking with the animals.
बिल्कुल बात नहीं करते थे आप.
Especially boys, and whenever I'm starting talking with the animals, so I am become like a dead duck, like how to talk and when to
Dead
talk.
duck?
So that point of time, sir, scolding me a lot, sir. So I always notice my personality like a weak heart girl. So I never accept.
You were never a weak heart. But उसको बस ला नहीं पाए.
Yes,
You
sir.
couldn't put across. I just gave you the platform and you ate all the breakfast.
Yes, sir.
बस.
Sir, every girl deserving like a teacher like you and friend like a Jinendra sir, who give the ocean of the confidence, sir. And sir, I thanks a million to all of you. You guys are really amazing. You did a very well decoration. This kind of movement make my day more memorable and remarkable. And thanks to Mr. Yash also, who holding a camera and capture lots of lovely
Shabash, yes, thank you.
moments, sir. So sir, I know your special Mr. Priyanshu and Mr. Jinendra sir.
Yes, yes.
But sir, you are my precious one. Never disown me, sir. Because sir, when no one ready to hold my hand, you are the only one, sir. Even nowadays someone passing sarcastic comment, I don't ready to be hit.
In the heat, मैं yes ध्यान नहीं देती अब.
Because sir, you are not make me strong by the heart. You are the make strong by the sir mindset only, sir. I'm not ready this threshold to leave this. But
And
sir,
Shweta, do you remember switch on, switch off?
Yes,
आप ऐसे
sir.
बोलते सर आपका मूड खराब हो जाता था. How you used to switch on and switch off?
yes, sir. Sir, everyone knows some personality having who always whenever we try to rising, and that type of personality always passing sarcastic comment.
बिल्कुल.
So if we are ready for the strong mindset, to that point of time we know how to react and when to react, sir. So sir, you are only one who teach me like lots of things, sir. Even sir, I am the very blessed girl. I always thanks to my God, sir, ki, like you give me like a gift of the gap blessing.
Gift of gap, philosophy.
Blessing for me,
Thank
sir.
you.
Get you a chance. So today I am feeling little bit nervous because I think it is like this situation should be nervous. Why? Because I have spent 1.5 or 2 years like in the English cafe.
Yes, beta.
And not only English, I have learned many things. Many things kind of mindset which I have gained from the cafe. Why? Because of our debate concept. Why? Because of our role play concept.
Done.
You have to just coordinate with the enemy also. Like there are some person with whom you are having grudges, but still you have to just hold the hand with them. You have to perform. You have to make a coordination with them.
तुम्हारी नहीं बनती उससे फिर भी
Yes, sir. So
Platform.
in the cafe, you will get the things like how to survive in the outer world.
Beautiful.
Because outer world is the very cruel, but in the cafe there are some people, like there are some mentors, there are some coordinators, and especially sir. Sir, the thing is that like I have met with the many teachers in my life. I respect them also, but sir, the respect I am having for you, it is a kind of sir, different kind of on the apex level of respect, sir. Sir, the thing is that like when a child is just going into the like downside or in the like he's just committing the mistake, suppose. So other teacher maybe like throw him from the like institute, but sir is the like sir is having a personality. He will like help the hand. Look, beta, where are you? Where are you going?
वो प्यार से एक बार आए
Yes,
तो
sir.
सही
The thing is that like sir want to recover that person into the best person, the best version of that person. This is the important thing which should be present in the guru. Sir, literally,
Beautiful.
sir, I'm just
Thank you.
yes, sir, I'm just like becoming nervous and I'm becoming
ये भी
emotional.
बहुत बढ़िया बोल गया well done round of applause Daksh
Yes, sir.
finally Daksh yes बेटा
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance once again. So, like, I will
आप
like to
सब
share.
इज्जत से कभी भी आ पाओगे this is what you got this stage you earned this stage बेटा बहुत ऐसे हैं दक्ष you know their names वो आ नहीं सकते they aren't able to come they cannot come reason they know because when they'll be coming their heart will be palpitating उनके दिल धड़क जाएंगे hindsight they know better अब आप आ पाओगे
Yes. Thank you, sir, for giving me this chance once again. Sir, I would like to share my whole journey. Like in the starting 3 months, I haven't speak because like I am having the fear of judgment. Like what the other person will be saying about me, etc., all the XYZ things. But in totality, sir has made me like that. That whatsoever the person is thinking, you have to believe in yourself. That you are the only one who can make your life. And you can embrace your life or you can erase your life. Like this was the dialogue of someone else, but I'm.
but the favorite line of Mr. Daksh मतलब of course
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So like you made me like that. I am standing here. Just you made me like that. If you were not there, so I couldn't able to think that I am standing here.
I pushed you you took it on the chin as simple as that
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's all from my side.
thank you बेटा well done